boy, Beamer.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, see, this feels like a bath.
Legs ready? Yeah, ready. Look at this face.
Oh, poor baby Beamer.
Please.
Good boy.
There you
Good boy. Atta boy. Gotta kick the back feet. Good boy. Good boy, Beamer. Good boy. We had a Boston that we had just put down. He was 12. He could not swim to save his life. He threw him in a pool one time and he just sank to the bottom. Didn't even try. I mean, just all four legs just totally out straight. They're not like retrievers or anything.
No. Well, I didn't know what Doodle was going to do with him, but he swam all the way to the back.
Wow. Good boy, Beamer.